Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this very look and dress and press without VIP. Okay, and to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items that you need to put on to create this very look. Start from the hairstyle, guys. You can choose this hair, and then you're going to color it with this color, and then you're going to combine it with this hair, and you're going to apply the same color. Okay, and then for the top, you're going to put on this top from the Madoka set and color it with this pink color and also this color, and then you're going to make it glitter. Just make all the material glitter, and then you're going to put on this dress. You're going to select toggle 2, and then you're going to apply the same pink color and also this color, and again you're going to make it glitter, and then you're going to put on this flower crown. You can make it this pink color and also this color, and then put on this necklace, make it white, and you're going to put on this skirt. For this skirt, you're going to make it pink and then make it glitter, and then put on this item, this one, guys, and you're going to make it white, and you're going to put on this stocking, make it white for all the selection. Okay, and then you're going to put on this wings and make it this color, and then you're going to make the wings glitter. Okay, and then put on this necklace from the cards item, make it white, and then you're going to put on this dress, the new cards item, and you're going to choose top only, and you're going to color it like this. Okay, and sorry for this one, guys. For this top, you're going to remove the undershirt details, lace, and bow. Basically, you can remove everything but the gem. Okay, and you can put on this Madoka heel or the Myra heel and make it the pink, make it this pink color. Okay, and finally you will have this very look without VIP. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.